What's up, guys? Nathan Waitinas at Thayer Honda in Bowling Green here. We're doing our new car review this week on the amazing 2021 Honda Civic Type R. This is the final Type R of the 10th generation Honda Civic, so I'm really excited that we've got one here in the showroom to show you guys. So stick around and let's take a look at this thing. Now we've got the Civic Type R fresh off the truck, so let's take it out for a ride with our technician for the pre-delivery inspection. We'll get it filled with some gas, make sure it runs through the gears nice and fine, and let's see what this thing has to offer for us. Gassing up the Type R. Tilting and telescoping steering wheel, of course. Man, that thing pulls. Wow, does that pull, man.
I've ever drove anything that pulled like this.
Do you like the rev match?
Yes, I love it because it's less work I gotta do.
Right? See how we can merge onto the highway up here. Shouldn't be a problem, right?
No, I think we can do it.
Holy cow, that was an amazing ride. Absolutely a joy to ride in the Type R. That thing really pulls with all that torque. And really, I don't know if you heard the technician mention, but that rev match that it has really makes shifting a joy with this vehicle. You know, it's got all that torque. You can keep the boost up nice and high. And really, it's such a blast to drive. And really, it's very quiet in the cabin as well. If you have it on comfort mode, the suspension completely changes feels when it's between comfort, sport, or plus R. It's like you've got 3 different vehicles in one. An amazing ride. So really happy I could take you guys for a quick spin in this Type R. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this and share it with your friends and family. If you know anybody who might be looking for a Civic Type R like this, give us a call here at Thayer Honda at 419-354-2222. Thank you and have a great rest of your week. See you guys.